Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Microsoft Edge will not close on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Now, wait for the list to load. Right click on Microsoft Edge and select End Task. Okay, this way you will be able to close Microsoft Edge. And for future purposes, here's what I suggest. Open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions, click on manage extensions, find problematic extensions here. Let's say this one was problematic, disable it, check if it helps with the problem. If yes, then remove it once you find the culprit, because see, extensions could be the main reason for this kind of issue. Why is this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.